Hello, this is our week 2 day 1 reflection video, and it's also the preview of what y'all are going to be looking at tomorrow for day 2 of the boot camp. So we're going to be solving slightly more complicated equations that look like this one, and we are still using the DCID method that we used before. Distribute, combine like terms, isolate with addition or subtraction, and then divide. And we're still not yet up to the distribute step, but today we will be looking at the CLT, the combine along with the two isolate steps. So I'm just going to get started on this one. I'm going to draw my line. And just like before when we used to sketch, if there's no letter, no number in front of the letter, like this X doesn't have a coefficient or a number in front, I like to go ahead and put a 1 there. It just makes it easier. So I've got 1x plus 3 plus 2x is equals, and then I'm going to put another 1 over here, 1x plus 5. So that's my equation. There's no parentheses, so there's nothing to distribute, but I do have like terms. If you're wondering where the like terms come from, I'm going to relate this to the sketch so that we can see how the like terms come into play. Remember, x's are your triangles, so this would be 1x and then a 3 cubed and then 2x's, and on the other side, a 1x, so one triangle, and a 5 cube. And remember before when we were doing sketching, we said, well, we can regroup things. We can put things that are the same together. Well, my triangles are the same. They're just triangles. So I can put them together like that. And then that 3 cube I can put after it. I'm just making a sketch so that the things that are alike are together and triangles are alike. Well, if we relate that to this algebra equation, the triangles are our x's. And on the left side here, I've got a 1x and a 2x. Well, they're alike. We call them like terms. Like terms have the same variable or the same variable combinations. And just like we saw with the triangles with the sketching, I can regroup them and put them together. So I can say, well, you know what, I'm going to put all my x's together. And I've got this 1x. The 2 has that plus sign right in front of it, so it's plus 2x. So I can say 1x plus 2x is 3x, which is the same as having those 3 triangles there. And then that 3 is a constant. Just like I have that 3 cube here, I can just bring it down because it's there, 3. And on the other side, I can just write it down just like I did before, 1x plus 5, just like I have the triangle and the 5 cube. So that is the combine step. The rest of the steps work out the same way as before. So you would then isolate using addition or subtraction, and then if you had to, you would divide at the end. This little preview just shows the combine step and how that works. And remember, when we're combining, we're doing it on one side. Like I just really addressed what was going on with this side on the left. And I didn't use any opposites because when you combine, you're putting together what's already there. On the right side, I didn't really do anything to it. There was nothing to combine. If we look at the picture, the sketch, the triangle and the 5 cube are different. We can't put them together. So that 1x and the 5 have to stay separated, just the 1x plus the 5. So that sort of gives you an idea of how the combining like term step is related to the sketch method with the triangles and regrouping. That's one of our other rules of math. We can regroup on any side, but we just pull together things that are alike that go together.